This is question 13 in exercise 1.9 in Project Maths 3A. We have to solve for x in the following. 4 is equal to 1 over x minus 3 over x minus 2. Now in order to solve this, we're going to need to get rid of the fractions first, and the easiest way to do that is to multiply every term in this equation by the product of the denominator. So we're going to multiply everything by x times x minus 2. So our equation is going to become 4 times x minus 2 is equal to 1 times x minus 2 all over x minus 3 times x minus 2 all over x minus 2. Now from here in our fractions on the right, this x will cancel out this x on top, and this x minus 2 will cancel out this x minus 2 on top. So on the left, if we multiply out our brackets, we're going to get 4 by x, which is 4x, and then we're going to multiply that 4x into this bracket, so we get 4x squared minus 8x. And on the right hand side, we just have 1 times x minus 2, so that's just going to be x minus 2. And we have 3 times x, so that's going to be minus 3x. And because we got a square in our equation, we're going to bring everything over to the left hand side of the equals. So we're going to get 4x squared minus 8x minus x plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. I'm just going to tidy that up. We get 4x squared, and then minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 will be plus 6x. Sorry, actually, that will be minus 6x, and we have plus 2, and that's going to be equal to 8. 0, something like that, sorry. So now we need to go about factorizing this, and the way we do that from here is, well, the easiest way to do that is we take our number at the front, this 4, and we multiply it by the number at the end, 2, and we get 8. And now we're going to write out the factors of 8, so we've got 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Or you could have minus 1 times minus 8, and minus 2 times minus 4. And we're looking for a pair of these factors that will sum up to minus 6, right there in the middle. So we're going to take these two here, minus 2 and minus 4. So now what we do is we're going to rewrite our equation. So it's going to be 4x squared, and we're going to use these two factors of 8 to split up the minus 6. We're going to have minus 2x minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0, like that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to factorize this by grouping. So from the first two terms here, the 4x squared and the 2x, we're going to take the highest common factor, and that's going to be 2x. And then inside the brackets we're going to have 2x minus 1, like that. And then from our second pair here, we're going to take out the highest common factor, which is going to be minus 2. And then into our brackets we're going to have 2x minus 1, and that's all still equal to 0. So if we multiplied out these brackets, we would get the line above back, and then if we tidied up the line above, we'd be back at the equation we started. So we haven't changed the value of anything just yet. And now that we've got this done, we can group our products together. So we can say we have 2x minus 2, because they are what's left outside the brackets, multiplied by 2x minus 1, and that is equal to 0. And now we can take each bracket separately and set that equal to 0. So 2x minus 2 equals 0, and 2x minus 1 equals 0. So from the left, if we solve it out, we get 2x equals 2, so x is equal to 1. And from the right, we're going to get 2x equals 1, so x equals 1/2. And that is that.